Hey everybody, today I'm going to do a video of a pretty substantial haul I got today from not just the collector's store again, but also Target. These cards were around $1 each, so I got them maybe for around maybe like $40 I paid for everything. It's pretty inexpensive. I'm going to show you the first car here. This car is going to be the 1965 Ford C900. Let's get it open. Looks pretty cool. Second car today is going to be the Model A Hot Rod. It's a vintage Matchbox. Let's get this one open. That one came out right away. Let's see back the card. And this is the Model A Hot Rod. Next car we have here is the Chevy Master Coupe. Let's get this one open. Chevy Master Coupe. This one's going to be in a beige color. Next car we have is the Land Rover Freelander. This one's in gray. Let's get this open. All right, there's the Land Rover Freelander, and this is the gray version. And the next car is going to be the 1941 Plymouth Coupe. Let me get this open for you guys. And here's the Plymouth Coupe. Then we have a Johnny Lightning 1982 Mazda RX-7. This time it's in red. I believe I have the white version of this. I'll get this open. And this is pretty cool. Nice looking car. Next car we have is the Ferrari 456 GT. Let's get this open. And here we go. Ferrari 456 GT. The next car we have is the MBX field car. And we'll get this one open. This is also a new release for 2023. It's in the Volvo Wave. This is the field car. Nice looking casting. Now we have the Whitewater Raft boat. Let's get this open. Okay, it seems like it's in plastic. Yep. Here we go. This is the Whitewater Raft and the boat. So we gotta put this back on again. Slide. Okay, there we go. All right. Action Canyon. Mercedes Mitsubishi Fighter. Put this one open. Shouldn't be too hard. Mitsubishi Spider. In yellow. Audi Avis. In pink. Take this one. It's the Audi Avis. I like the pink color on this one. This one's really cool. Take the garbage and put it over there. Now this car I'm not opening up. This is the Mercedes 600S. So that will just go right up here. This car I'm not opening either. This is going to be the BMW 5 Series. And the car will go right up here. This car's not being opened. Jeep Wrangler. And this one will be open. Nice Jeep Wrangler. We have the Computer Cars Hydroplane. I'm going to open this one. It's already kind of opened as it is. And this is the Hydroplane right here. And this is the floppy disk it comes with. Now I'm going to have to do a part 2 in a second. This one's not being opened. This is the Troop Convoy. Keeping this in packaging. Roll Patrol, number 161. This one I am going to open. Let's get rid of that. Roll Patrol, 161. Pretty cool. Ambulance, I'm not going to open this one up. Number 71. Ford Escort, Cosworth. This one's going to be ripped open. I don't have that one loose. This is the Escort. Just bear with me 1 second, guys. And we're back. This is going to be the Road Roller. I don't believe I have this one, so I'm going to open it. Looks pretty cool. The ramp truck, which I'm not opening. Number 774. The refuge truck. This one's a refuge truck, which I'm going to open that one. So, this is the refuge truck. Extending ladder fire engine, which I will open up. I'll open this one up. Okay. Looks nice. Places the old one that I had. It was in really bad condition. Rage, Porsche 959. Let's get that one open. Rage, Porsche 959. 5-pack, Supercars. And I am going to open this 5-pack because I have to get these 2 out of here. So I'm going to try to see if I can open it from here. Probably can. Just slide it right out. And there we go. Here's the Lamborghini. The Ferrari. Testarossa. Now these 3 are going to be for sale since I already have these 3. Ferrari F40. So if anybody wants these, let me know. Lamborghini Diablo, and the Jaguar XJ220. So if anybody wants those, just let me know. Those are going to be for sale. Another 5-pack. This is the Hot Wheels Olympic support team. Get this out. This is the Goodyear blimp. This one's for sale. If anybody wants it. The Flame Stopper. I think you guys saw that in a video not long ago. This one's also for sale. If anybody wants this one, I'm going to put this with the others that I'm going to be selling. But these three I'm keeping since I don't have these three. This is the Rescue Ranger. The GMC Wrecker. And this is the main reason why I bought this. This Peterbilt tank truck. The helium gas. All right, now let me get more out of here. We have more to go. We have the Rigger motor from the computer cars again. And I'm going to get this open. This is the Rigger motor, the Pure Car series. Another floppy disk. If you look at the back of the package, this is what it shows. It's like a Halloween theme. Dodge Dakota, which I'm not opening up. Formula Racer, I will open this. Looks nice. Hummer. I'm going to open this one. Let's get this one open. Pretty cool. Just give me 1 second, guys. All right. Here's the fire department, the helicopter. This one. It's easy to slide out of there. Fire department. Helicopter. This is a Toys R Us 10-pack. Now I am going to actually open this, so I'm going to take this out of the box. Because I got to get out some of the cars from in here that I do not own. And the rest are going to be for sale. So let me show you guys what's for sale and what's not. This is the certificate. This car is not for sale. This is the Porsche 911. This car is not for sale, and this is the Lexus SC400. This car is not for sale. This is the Ferrari 250. This car is for sale, so if anybody wants it, let me know. Lamborghini Diablo. This car is for sale. Corvette. This car is for sale, Speed Blaster. This car is going to be for sale, and that's the Ram truck. This car is going to be for sale. This is the Predator. This car is going to be for sale, and this is the school bus. And this car is not going to be for sale, and this is the 32 Ford Delivery from Toys R Us. And that's it for that. I have a few more cars in here. I have a good amount more stuff to show you guys. The Lamborghini Countach. Let's get this open. Pretty cool. Cool Mud. This is the orange version. I have the pink version. This is nice. I like this. This is the orange version. This is not the pink version. I'm going to do one more car, and then we're going to do a part 2 of this video. Ford F-150. Actually, should be able to get this on one part. This is the F-150. The Mission Chopper. It's a military chopper. Let's get this open. Ford ambulance. It's already kind of open, so we'll get it out of there. Full paint coat, Volvo container truck. All right, guys, I'm gonna do a part 2.